River Safari。
哈哈，所以我前面就是快点拍，有人。
拍了我 video 嘞，
妹妹拍后面，爸爸拍前面。
我要 video 嘞，你拍了没？
妹妹 video 后面，爸爸 video 前面。
后面什么？
看我们，喂，这样你们就可以知道我们两个有做什么吗？一个前一个后吗？
后面呗。
看我们，哎，你们全部都是前面那个人出后面，
后面没什么好看的。
没有碰到我们。
This side you will mention.
Interesting, you go up.
然后给你切了。
第一排是因为会很湿，不然那边会比较湿。
我们这边没有。
没办法，一圈就回来，你看umbrella上面就麻了。是，可是你的umbrella会在basket 里吧？里面快control room 了，
没拍哦。
上来的 sticker。Yay, we're starting the Amazon River Quest ride. Your adventure starts here. 那么今天我们真的是
大水挡住啊。
哎，上去了。你要 point 什么？point all those factors 在哪？然后再 point 这边，然后再看到这个相机。里面看这个，
东西黑黑呀。
哇，我也是吃了。
哇，蛮晕。
哇，Red Howler Monkey. This is the Holland. 哎，在那边，它睡觉了。
哦，台湾的狗。
在那边，在上面，妹妹。对。Oh, it's up there.
Greetings, explorers. Welcome to the Amazon River Quest. Hold on to your hats. This is going to be an amazing ride. High up in the trees on your right is a white-faced sucky monkey. Because of their ability to leap large distances, they are known as the flying monkeys. Hiding among these on the right are cotton-topped tamaroos. These small monkeys talk to each other in chirps and whistles.
So many cameras, so scary. Every single, you see another camera? All the hidden cameras.
We're now entering the land of the giants. Quick, to your left. Do you see something large and furry? That's the giant anteater. Look out for the sharp claws. They're used to dig into
the tail very bushy. The tail is very bushy.
Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed cotimundis. They're able to turn their ankles over 180 degrees, and this helps them climb trees better.
Guanaco. There's a guanaco there. Yeah, can you see so far? We're going down.
We're going down.
Are we going down? Okay, careful. Keep walking.
They can leap over 9 meters from branch to branch. Do you see 2 large ground animals? These are Brazilian tapirs.
Tapirs.
Tapirs are the largest land
This side
animals in the Amazon.
Brazilian tapirs. There, over there, this side.
However, it still has enemies. When chased by the cougars and jaguars, they run and plunge into the river.
Very tired. Very tired. Watch out for jaguars. Where are the jaguars?
Jaguar.
See so many cameras. How to...
Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator in the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Shao, our young jaguar. He was born in the Singapore Zoo in 2004. Shao likes to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next. The jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon. It has a powerful bite that pierces its prey's skull
对，
with its
看没
teeth.
看到了，我看不到。
拍上面。哦。Jaguars. Watch out for jaguars. 哦，很美啊！你看它是从墙壁这样爬上去的。哦，parents，爸爸，爸爸的妈妈。等一下下去啊，小心啊！
Oh, saw the black. He's out of feeder. Males turn black when they come of age. Just like the red howler monkeys, they howl loudly when they sense approaching rain. If you turn to your left, you'll spot the Peruvian flamingos. The flamingo's curved beak acts as a sieve, filtering microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. Just opposite are our capybaras. These large cousins of the hamsters grow up to 70 kilograms and are the world's largest rodent.
Only one 呢，still only one。
对，不在他的戏里面。
表演了，都要去表演了，对不起，被抓去表演，没有不能在家了。
Well, explorers, I hope you have been enjoying your voyage. If you wish to see more Amazonian animals, head on left towards the Amazon rainforest. Have an amazing day at River Safari. Farewell, explorers.
Actually, the music is the best. Amazon music.
the man.